Hello guys, this is your Freedom Trader Collins FT. Once more again, I come with great value. I come with practice, backtesting. This is what I recommend everyone as a trader. You have to be doing all the time, every day. This is the only way out. It's much better than courses. Even if you do pay for courses, you still have to practice the strategies that are being taught by your gurus. And those gurus, they did the same thing like this before getting to those strategies. So why not do it by yourself? If you don't have a $750, uh, 750 to pay for courses like those of QBanks, you don't have $300. You just got to do it by yourself. And this is the best way, guys. And doing like this, it's much better, trust me, than courses, because with the courses you believe everything has been taught. Why stress yourself? You're just going to carry the knowledge, you execute, and you make money. But yet it's not like that. It's never like that. So whatever your guru teaches you, you should put it in practice. And like this, and practice whatever you learn from your gurus, from your teachers, from your mentors. So today we're gonna do a Euro USD. The reason why I'm hiding the chart is because I don't want us to get a biased view, to actually kind of have an idea where the market is going. So let's back test and get on. This is like 2012. Okay, so we start, guys. Row number one, we look at the direction. Is it going down? Is it selling or buying? So right now the market is at a downtrend. Then we go with our levels. These are our take profit regions. Then these areas also determine whether we're gonna, is it time to buy or sell. So it's basically resistance and support, price action. That is it with moving average, candlesticks. That is all I use, and you will see how they do work out here. Every single thing here is going to be put with the mistakes I'll be making, with the success trades I'll be entering. Everything is going to be detailed here. So right here the market is at a position where we missed already. Here this was the best entry, but we can still keep on. Say we just open the charts on this day, Wednesday 7th March 2012. This is exactly what we were supposed to see, and how we're supposed to trade was, this gives us a very strong buy signal. This candlestick gives us a very strong buy signal. Actually the market actually bought, came back. It actually bought, created the high, came back here, and now it's below the moving average. So what we do is we are looking either to sell or to buy. So at this point, with a normal chart, if this is not the back testing, you could then go back to the 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, or whatever time frame, at the lower time frame, and look for entries, or actually understand what the market is doing here. But since we are not at that position, and even if you reach at the 15 minutes time frame, you're still gonna see the market same as we are seeing here. This, now we have a chance that the market might be selling, but we cannot just sell now. We have to wait for the market to give us a correct confirmation here at this point, a sell confirmation here before we sell. So actually this is the reason you don't just sell because the market gave you a bearish momentum, or the market was indicating that it's selling. So it gives us instead a buy, and still yet we're still gonna observe if the market actually is buying. So this is just what I am talking about, guys. Unless you get a confirmation, you don't wanna place a trade. So this is now a confirmation. This is a very clear confirmation, one of those confirmations. This is a double top. If both candles, this candles is one of the candlesticks that indicates a reversal or a pullback. So we now go back to the market structure and try to understand what the market is trying to tell us by giving us this sell signal. So we now see the market has maybe the probability to come here and form a double bottom before pushing, before kicking right up. Yeah, that is what the structure tells us. But then before we reaching here, we need to take our profit here, we take here, we take here, then we understand if actually the market is going to continue or not. So we go gradually, we don't just imagine and put our position and start hoping. So as I said, first we take our first TP here, we take the second one here before we continue down. Before we continue down here. So with this one, guys, you can go with market with a sell stop straight away. No need to wait for price to come back here and do something before you enter market execution. Here a sell stop is okay, and the market is just gonna go down after this one. So it's triggered and another sell signal is given. So when the market triggers like this, it triggered first, then the second candle was kind of like going back into a drawdown before dropping down to form another sell signal. So we already so it's already a confirmation that it's a sell. And actually we are in profit, but the market is giving us signals of buy because of this candle here. Because if the market is breaking this candle, it means it's gonna go right down at this level. So since we had already this one, we are having difficulties to actually believe that the market is gonna come right down here. And if the market doesn't break this, if the market doesn't touch here and just completely rejects this area, this support, it means it's gonna go up now and just break and go right up there. So with such a signal, I will recommend, if you whatever you are doing, whatever position you have, you can close for the moment and then put a sell stop at this bottom here. This should be your new sell stop. This should be your new sell stop. Say you were trading in a 15 minutes, then you find such a candle, you just get out, put your next sell stop here, and then you chill, just so that you get out safely with a little bit of profit or break even, rather than get back here, and then you start hoping the market doesn't hit the market doesn't hit your stop loss here. So by the way, with this signal, stop loss was supposed to be reduced already and put at this level. So guys, as I said, you get out, you put your sell stop here, and knowing fully whether if the market breaks, if price breaks this level, it's going to come right down here. So so it was a good thing we came out, we got out here, and because this was already a buy signal confirming that this buy here is still very powerful. So let's see how far this buy signal is going to reach. Is it gonna end here, or it's gonna break and continue? Because the sell stop is still valid until we are kicked out at this level, but yet the sell stop is still valid. But this already was a signal to buy. So we already out. Then we can confidently say the price is gonna then hit the trend line, break it. Oh, price is coming right up at this resistance level here to confirm the strength of this buy of this hammer candlestick that formed over here. So it hit already the, as I said, price has hit already the trend line. That is why we do put trend lines, so that we know where at least the market is going, what the market is going to do after that. So what we're expecting is for market for price to continue and reach this level, or we'll just come back after this trend line. So there isn't any clear entry here, unless we just have to sit on our hands and observe the markets for now. So this is a sell signal, which is indicative, and a strong one as well, because the market just gave us a lower high here and at a trend line. So the trend line is actually not completely broken, so there are chances that the market might want to come back down. So now this is the new support, and this is a new level where we can take our profits. So we are still in a little bit of profits and no loss yet, so we can still take this one. Okay, this is a good one, another profit here, and that is it, guys. So this was a good one, and two trades actually. One almost break even with a small profit, and the second one complete win, like 100% win. So thank you, guys. You see the struggles, you see how you got to be vigilant, especially at this level. We had a good sell signal, but we were very vigilant to see a reversal here, and we got out very early. We didn't do anything, we didn't attempt to buy, because the market is buying here, because we knew the market is going to come hit here. I could still put a buy signal, but we just got out of we just missed a trade here that could cost us a loss, so we had to chill. Whenever you come out of such trades or whatever trade, you have to chill and observe the market before you re-enter, which is exactly what we did. We knew that the market is going to hit the trend line, something's going to happen, so it formed a lower high and gave us a sell signal, which was this one, and that is why we took our first take profit. I will explain to you in another video why I do put my levels at this particular point. Yeah, I do put them at this particular point, these two particular points. I don't sell here, I don't do anything inside here. So this was for my take profit, and you saw the way the market just hit it and stopped. So thank you guys, make sure you like and subscribe. See you again the next video.